Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some eggplant soup. You can call it garden egg soup. This soup is made by the Ishan people from Edo State. This soup is really delicious. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and set that notification bell icon to all. And please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. That being said, let's get started. So here are some goat meat that I'm going to be using. I've grilled my goat meat, but this is optional. If you don't want, you can just use your goat meat the way you like it. I'm going to be using some tripes, which is shaki, and also I'll be using some bonnet, which is cow skin. I'll be using some stockfish and dry fish. I'm going to be using some scotch bonnet pepper, onions, crayfish. You need a lot of crayfish for this recipe. Locust beans, salt to taste, and some seasoning cubes. I'll be using some goat meat stock that I got from the goat meat I grilled in my oven. I'll be using also some palm oil. So first I'm going to be peeling the back of the eggplant. Then I'll cut it into a little pieces. I'm going to be cutting my own this way. You can cut it to any shape that you want. And also I'll be steaming this eggplant in my pot. So now I'm going to go ahead and steam this eggplant. I'll place a iron stand in my pot, then I'll add a little amount of water, then I'll put the eggplant inside the pot. I'm going to cover it with parchment paper and some aluminium paper. Then I'll cover it with the lid and leave it to steam for some minutes. So now the eggplant is ready. I'm going to be matching it with my mortar and my pestle. If you don't have it, you can also use your food processor. The most important thing, you don't want it to be too smooth. As you can see, this is the way I want mine to be. I'm just going to set it aside. So guys, I've cleaned up all the ingredients that I'm going to use for the recipe, the bonnet, the fish. I've blended everything. This is very easy to put together. So now we are going to form a pot of soup with all these ingredients put together. In my pot, I will be adding the goat meat stock. I will add the stockfish. I will add the shaki, the bonnet, and I'm going to stir everything together. I will allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. So now 15 minutes have passed. I'm going to be adding the pepper and the onions that I blend together. I will add the crayfish. I will add the locust beans. The palm oil. Seasoning cube. And I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'll make sure I cover it. I'm going to cook everything together for another 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, now I'm going to be adding the goat meat. I'm adding the goat meat at this point because I've already grilled the goat meat before. So it's very easy to cook now. And I'll be adding the fish as well. I'm going to stir everything together. Then I will cover it. I will allow everything now to cook together so that all the ingredients and everything will penetrate inside the meat. So guys, as you can see, the water has reduced it a lot because this recipe doesn't require a lot of water. So now I'll be adding the eggplant. I'm just going to stir everything together. Then I will leave it to cook for just 4 to 5 minutes. Then the soup is done. So guys, as you can see, this soup is very easy to put together and so delicious. You can use this soup to eat eba. You can use it to eat fufu. You can use it to eat pounded yam as well. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section. I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.